This value driver tree simulates a business operating across multiple geographical areas. At the top, we've got variables that affect the business either in different countries or overall. The example here is of exchange rates that can be changed to see what the impact is, and as the user changes the exchange rate, you will immediately see how that impacts net profit. The user can drill down to any one of the underlying drivers and go and simulate a change, for instance within sales. In this example, a reduction of 10% in sales will immediately affect the value driver tree, both up to the net profit figure as well as changing other values such as the reduction in business costs. In this example, the reason business costs have reduced is because the commission percentage is directly linked to the sales value. Commission is calculated as multiplying the sales value by the commission percentage. If we increase the commission percentage, we can see what the impact would be. But it creates a more complex scenario because there are two different variables affecting commission. By clicking on the node, you can go down and see the waterfall diagram illustrating the contribution each of these factors can have between the baseline and the simulation. This makes it very simple to understand what those compound effects are. In the same way, the user can affect any one of these expenses, for instance reducing the rent being paid month to month or over an extended period. Rent could be an example of a cost you may want to actually change for a specific set of months. In this example, we'll change this to a manual input. This will allow us to capture the individual month level values, and in this example, if we had the opportunity to close our office for 3 months, we can zero out those months, and it will show us the financial impact this has. If I take a second to scroll across the value driver tree, I can see the effect no rent for 3 months has made on the net profit figure. As a business, you would create multiple scenarios and compare the results against one another. This report shows us the comparison of these different scenarios and what affects each one of them. You can then use this again to go and navigate to a different scenario. In the same way at the top of the page, we've got for each scenario what the different variables that were changed by the user. And the user has the ability to navigate around by clicking on that item to actually see where in the value driver tree that was changed. The user can also go and remove a specific item that they decide is not relevant. And that is how quickly a user can actually go and create a scenario or create multiple scenarios and do the comparison.